RAM refers to random access memory, but how much of that does your device really need in this year 2021 going into 2022? Let's find out. It's already common knowledge that the RAM is the workspace where the operating system and the files that are currently running on the device are kept while the apps are actually running. And it is also commonplace to hear whenever a new phone is being launched, you will see specs like 12 gigs of RAM, 8 gigs of RAM, or even 16 gigs of RAM. The question now is, do you need all that, or is it just a marketing stunt? Based on my experience, the amount of RAM that I currently use, despite all the social media apps, the phone calls, the browsing and watching of YouTube videos, I do not even use up to 4 gigs of RAM. So I think on the average, an average user may not use up to 4 gigs of RAM. So to be able to see the actual number of the amount of RAM that is being used on your device, go to settings, open developer options. To be able to open your developer options, go to your system information, tap on the build number 7 times. That will activate developer option. That is if it is not active already on your device. Open developer options, go to memory. When you tap on memory, it shows the amount of memory that is available on your device. It shows the current performance of your system memory. It shows the total amount of memory that is used. That is the total amount of installed memory. It also shows the total amount of the RAM that you use on the average. Now, at the top of the page, you will see the average amount of RAM that you use on your device, or with your average daily use of the device. The amount of RAM that you make use of is instructive. It tells you the amount of RAM that you actually need when you are going for that next device. To see the amount of RAM that the Android operating system is using and the amount of RAM that other apps that are installed on your device is using, you tap on memory used by apps. Now, when you tap on memory used by app, you drill down, you will see a big list with the Android operating system at the top. You will see it makes use of about 1.2 gigs of RAM at the moment. Now, if you scroll down, you get to see the amount of RAM that other apps that are installed on your device are using. And of course, take note that these numbers may vary from device to device and from user to user, because it depends on the amount, the apps that are installed on your device and how often you use them and the amount of information that is currently being held by that app in your RAM. Now, as an average user, you might just be the type that browses the internet. You might just be an average user that browses the internet, plays a few games here and there, makes phone calls, and makes use of social media. For that user, I believe that about 4 gigs of RAM is enough. But if you are the type that needs to run over 1 million apps, that needs to run 1 million apps on your device and have all of them stay in the background simultaneously, then you will need much more RAM than 4 gigs. You can go for the latest 16 gig RAM device. If you have any question that you'd like us to tackle in a subsequent video, please drop it in the comment section below, and also click the join button to join our membership. If this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.